As you can see, this is your living and dining area, kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms, and this over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Raj Legacy by Raj Realty located in Mira Road, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and to my left is the actual land parcel of the project. You can see the actual land parcel where the construction has already started. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 3.5 acres. As you can see in the model, it has 3 towers of ground plus 2 podium plus E-deck plus 35 residential floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, you have jewelry options available. And now, speaking of amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities. As you can see in the model, it has a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, multi-purpose court, jogging track, banquet hall, indoor games, kids play area, garden and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about location and connectivity, this project is located near Ronak Hotel, Lakshmi Park Road, Mira Road, from where Mira Road railway station is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 2 kilometers. Metro station is at a distance of 700 meters, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 5 minutes from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering the 3 BHK of the residential project Raj Legacy. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 807 square feet. As we enter, you can see you have a very spacious foyer area that gives you apartment privacy. Right to the left of the entrance is your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. You can also customize your lower and your upper cabinets. You can see your kitchen is very spacious where easily 2 people can walk at the very same time. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator and your washing machine on both the corners, and you will be getting half French windows with glass facade in your kitchen for ventilation. And now let's move forward to the apartment. Over here, as you can see, this is your living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious. You can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. In the living, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for beautiful standing balcony view. And over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. Moving forward, on this side, we have your bedrooms. First, over here, we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your bed, your side tables. You can see you still have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You have wardrobe space provided that is also very spacious. You can also build lofts if you wish to. And you can also customize your TV unit. And in this common bedroom, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade that will give you a standing balcony look. Now, let's move forward to the other bedrooms. As we move forward, this over here is your alley area. First, in this corner, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Diagonally opposite to your common washroom is your second bedroom. As we enter, you can see this over here is the space of your second bedroom. You can place your bed, your side tables. Again, you can see your walkable space even after placing all your furniture. And in this bedroom as well, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for standing balcony look, and wardrobe space provided is also very spacious. You can also build lofts if you wish to. That's totally up to you. And in this corner, we have your private washroom of this bedroom. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including the EMI and down payment plans. And then, if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom 100% privacy, and to the left of the entrance is your private washroom that you can see is very spacious, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom. You can see you can easily place your bed, your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Your wardrobe space provided is also very spacious, and you can build lofts if you want. You can customize your TV unit, and in this master bedroom you will be getting L-shaped windows for more ventilation and for beautiful look. And this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Raj Legacy. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.